guys, welcome back to another video. It's Annamarie here, and today I will be doing a house tour of me and Ashley's new house that I built. So for when you walk in, you have some stones, like a stone pathway, and you have some plants, and then open this door. You have like a little entryway, it's not much. Then I have like a hat stand. Then when you come this way, you have our dining room. And when you come all the way across the whole from dining room, you have the kitchen. This is where me and Ashley cook our food. And when you walk out of the kitchen, you go straight into the living room. You have a warm fireplace and our TV, and two of these chairs, and then one couch that sits two people. So in total, it would fit 4 people. Then you come to the backyard, which is like right behind all the couches. You have a grill, so we could grill some food. And then over here is like an outdoor table, and this is like a pathway that I made. Then over here you have a bonfire where you could roast marshmallows and make s'mores. And then we have our pool. And I know it's small, but this is all me and Ashley could afford. So after that, you come back in, then you go back over there, and then you come, so this is a garage, and we got a new garage door, it's opening, and then you have my car in here, and then you go this way to this hallway. We'll go to this door first, which is Ashley's room. She has her fluffy poo. It's basically like her old room, except I made it like her old room. And then over here is the shower or the bathroom. Then if you go across the hall, you have mom room. It's a little bit more decorated because I'm still waiting for Ashley to decorate her room, because I don't want to decorate it without like me knowing like what she wants in her room, so I only decorated a little bit in her room. This is my desk, my bed. It's basically like Ashley's room. And then my dresser, my vanity. Then the bathroom. Come out of my room, you walk through that hallway and then back outside, and that's the house tour of me and Ashley's new house. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I know it's really quick. Hopefully y'all don't mind, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when me or Ashley posts another video. And if you guys haven't, go check out our last video, which is our first episode of the business series. I hope you guys have a magical day, and